Hi everyone. So today I just want to talk about present simple tense verbs. Okay, so a verb is an action like run, eat, sleep, walk, kick, listen, etc. Okay, so present simple tense. Tense is talking about time. So if you're talking about the future or the past or every day, okay, so we will talk about that in a second. Just before we begin, before we start, I just want to say that in this video, we do not talk about two verbs. So the verb to be and the verb to have are different. Okay, so in this video, we don't talk about these two verbs. Okay, so the present simple we use for routines. A routine is something you do many times or often. Okay, so not one time but many times. Okay, so for example, every day I go to work. Okay, I go to work not one time but many times every day. So some words that we use with the present simple, some words that we use because the present simple talks about an action you do many times. These are some examples of words that we can use with the present simple. So always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, every morning, every afternoon, every year, every summer, on Saturday, on the weekend, on Friday nights, in the morning, in winter. So these are examples. Of course, you can say many things. There are many different words you can use, but these are some examples because this language you use to talk about routines. Just some examples of sentences, okay, with the present simple tense talking about routines. Okay, so we eat eggs on toast on Saturday morning. So eat is a present simple verb, okay, so a present simple action. And it's present simple, so we can say on Saturday morning, and the meaning here is every Saturday morning. Present simple is for something you do many times, so we eat eggs on toast on Saturday morning, which means every Saturday morning. Number 2 here, every year she goes to Melbourne for a holiday. So goes is a present simple verb or action talking about routine because she goes every year. Not one time, but many times. And I usually relax in the evening. So relax is a present simple verb, okay, and usually you are talking about routine. Not always, but often. I often relax, or I usually relax in the evening. The present simple we also use for facts, okay? A fact is something true, So, for example, I love chocolate. Now, this sentence here, I love chocolate, this is not routine, but it is true. Okay? When I was a child, now, and also when I am old, always true. I love chocolate. Okay? Water boils at 100 degrees. Okay? So this is true. It's not routine, but it's a true sentence. And I feel happy. Okay? It's not every day or every morning or every year, but it's true. At the moment, like now, I feel happy. This is true. Okay. So, for the present simple, he, she, and it. For he, she, and it, the verb is different. So, I, you, we, they, we say I walk, you walk, we walk, they walk. But he, she, and it, it's different. He walks, she walks, it walks. So, with the present simple, for most verbs, okay, so for many verbs, for he, she, and it, we write S, okay, only for he, she, and it. So, we might say I eat, but she eats, or he eats. I sleep, or you sleep, but he sleeps, or she sleeps. Okay, I cook, or they cook, or we cook, but he cooks, or she cooks. And the same for walk, I walk, but he walks, or she walks. Now, it's important to know the vowels and consonants in English. So English has 5 vowels. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And English has 21 consonants. So the consonants are B, C, D, etc. Now, if you have a verb, okay, with a consonant and Y for the final 2 letters, for the last 2 letters, you delete Y and write I, E, S. Again, only for he, she, it. Okay, so you might say I study, okay? So if you look here, we have the last 2 letters, the final 2 letters, D, okay? So D is a consonant. Okay, so consonant and Y. So here, I-E-S, studies. You can see there is no Y. Okay, so I study, you study, but he studies, or she studies. Cry, same thing. So we have the letters R, Y. R, you can see here, over here. R is a consonant. Okay, so we have consonant and Y. Okay, so for he, she, it, we write I-E-S. So I cry, but he cries, or she cries. And same for worry. Consonant Y, yeah, R-Y, consonant Y. So for he, she, it worries, I-E-S. Now, if you have a vowel and Y, then only S. That's it, just S. So for he, she, and it. So for example, play. Okay, so we have A-Y. Now A is a vowel. Okay, so vowel and Y. So for he, she, it, S, plays. So I play, she plays. Same for enjoy. O is a vowel. Okay, so vowel and Y. I enjoy, but he enjoys, or she enjoys. And the same for stay. Vowel and Y. So he stays, or she stays. Now, for verbs with the last letter O or S or ch or sh or z or x, for he, she, it, we write es. So for example, the verb go, okay, so last letter is O, last letter is O, okay, O. So he, she, it, es. So I go, but he goes. Kiss, last letter is S, okay, last letter is S. So I kiss, but he kisses, or she kisses. Watch, the last letters are, CH. Okay, so ch. So I watch, but he or she watches, with es. And wash, okay, we have sh. Whoops. We have sh. Okay, so sh. So I wash, but he or she washes. Same for buzz. The last letter is Z. Okay, Z. So for he, she, or it, we say buzzes, with es. I buzz, you buzz, we buzz, they buzz, but he buzzes, or she buzzes, or it buzzes. Thank you very much.